Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your drafts on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Twitter app. When the app opens, tap on the blue tweet button on the bottom right corner. And let's foresay that you have written a long tweet, but you didn't have the time to upload it. So you saved it on your drafts. Later on you remembered about the tweet. So now how can you access that? On this page, at the top of the screen, you'll see the option Drafts. You can access it from here. And if you tap on Draft, you will see all of your draft tweets here. You can also access drafts from your profile. Now tap on the three bars on top left corner and then go to your profile. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and you'll see Drafts. And now tap on the tweet you want to post and then tap on Tweet on top right corner. And your tweet will be uploaded and removed from drafts. And that is how you can see your drafts. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.